Yeah, hi everyone. Just here I just did an unboxing of the new DJI mini mic, and I've just double checked to make sure it's got some charge in it. And I've gone and got a camera that I want to set this up with. So we'll go ahead, turn the camera on. So you go into your settings, go to your wireless mic. Put it onto whichever one, whether you want it on to be mic 1 or mic 2. Then turn on the mic, then put it into pairing mode, which by holding that button, which is now pairing. So it should find that pretty quickly. There it is. So it's connected, confirm. So there, now you can see that the mic is connected as mic number 1 or TX1, and you can see that it's now moving up and down, whereas before there was nothing. So that's what you do to pair. It's the same with the mic 2. Turn it on, make sure to put it in a pairing mode. Now the only thing you can, this is a Osmo Action 5. I don't know, I think it'll go with the earlier ones too. You'll have to read about that, but I know it'll go with the Osmo Pocket 3 as well, and it's the same thing. You go into the settings, wireless mic, choose whether you want it as mic 1 or mic 2, depending on how many of these you've got, and pair it with it, and that's it. The only thing you can't do, which I was going to say before I finish, is that you can't have this paired. Unfortunately, you can't have this paired with 2 cameras. I would have liked to have been able to pair it with 2 cameras, so that when I'm using the other camera, I've got the one mic or 2 mics, and when this one's on and the other one's off, it would be paired with this. But yeah, it doesn't work. I've tried it. So yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later. Bye.